certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be, to live with you, to live with you. There's a way everybody's saying to do each and every little thing, but what does it bring if I ain't got you, ain't got you, baby? You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Oh yeah, love somebody the way I love you. You don't know, you don't know to love somebody, to love somebody. You don't know. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Modesto! Alam mo, Modesto, you know what I hate most about you?
You do?
You know what I hate most about him?
What?
You're not on my team. Ang hirap yung ginawa mo kanina dahil yung song mo last week, unbeatable yan. So you did a very good job to follow up. Hindi ba mahirap yun, Gary, to follow up your hit with another hit?
Yes, yes, yes.
Habang may buhay, di ba?
Actually, yeah, last week what you did was great. This one, alam mo, Modesto, you seem to build up yung kumpiyansa, your confidence seems to be building up. No, I mean, gumagalaw ka, you're moving more, you're looking at the audience, you're smiling more. Ayan oh, mismo. And it's infectious, parang nakakahawa.
Kasi ang gusto niya, Sir Gary, is maging kedebon din.
Maging kedebon.
Ganon.
Are you sure?
Parang ganon.
Aha, mabuti nga hindi ka sa team ni Martin. Woo! But you know, hindi mo na kailangan ng speakers, ang lakas-lakas ng boses mo, and you know how to control your voice very well.
You're a walking speaker.
Well done.
Lahat nahahawa ng energy ni Kedebon. No, for me, para talaga sa akin, kahit bigyan pa ng Call Me Maybe, si Mang Modesto, kaya niya talaga. Hindi, di ba tandaan niyo, nag-ano sila production number? Mapa-Call Me Maybe, o rock, o kahit ano, kayang-kaya ni Mang Modesto. Yes. Mapa-baby. Oh.
Di ba? Kayang-kaya niya yung mga Justin Bieber, baka kala mo. Oo, talaga. Pero actually, you know, talagang natutuwa talaga ako kay Modesto because, you know, sabi niya kahapon sa bahay mo, di ba? You know, Martin was so nice to invite the all
of us.
the contestants to his house. Tapos, si Modesto, naka-4 na Amerikana. Binigay ni Martin, lahat yun. Pero talagang tuwan-tuwa ako. You know why? Kasi kahapon, wala siyang ginawa. Yung tinutour namin yung bahay, naku, every corner of the room pinipicturan niya. Sabi ko, bakit ka picture ng picture? Kasi isusoli ko na itong camera bukas. Congratulations, Modesto. That was wonderful.
Thank you.
Good job.
Maraming salamat,
Good job.
judges. Nako, Mang Modesto, bilang you are all about souvenirs, di po ba? Siyempre gusto namin, meron din kaming souvenir para sa inyo at alam naming matagal nyo nang hindi nakakasama ang mag-ina ninyo. Ilang buwan na rin po, no?
Last July 23 pa po.
Okay, Mang Modesto, surprise.
Ano?
Nandito po ang pamilya ninyo, live na live sa Pagcor Grand Theater. Asan po kayo? Ayan! Ayan, Mang Modesto. Ano pong gusto ninyong sabihin sa mag-ina ninyo? Sa pagsali niyo po dito sa kompetisyon ninyo habang patindi ng
Actually,
patindi po.
Every song that I'm rendering right in front of the four judges is primarily dedicated to God and to my wife and my youngest boy, and to the rest of you here, to the board of judges, to the judges, Ma'am Charisse, Gary V, Ma'am Pilita, they're here.
Dito kayo. Alright.
Moment!
Mga kapamilya,
Here's somebody to love.
mga kapamilya, if you want to vote for Mang Modesto, ito ang dapat ninyong tandaan. XF space MOD, M-O-D. Ayan po. Mang Modesto na galing Cagayan de
Thank you.
Oro pa po. Thank you.
X Factor, for bringing my wife here. Thank you.
Alright.